Atkins Civil 3D video series, Water 2A, existing water pipe layout. This video illustrates A. Create existing water pipe network, B. Create existing water pipe plan layout, and C. Draw existing water pipes in profile. Water systems associated with a road improvement project are created with the T's and bends being referenced to the road alignment. An alignment is generally not created for a water pipe network unless a profile is required that is separate from the road profile. In such cases, the alignment is created after the water pipe network is created. It is immaterial as to the number that Civil 3D assigns to a pipe, fitting, or valve. In many cases, the city or water company is contacted to mark the location of their existing water lines in the field. During the field survey, the existing water lines and valves are located. The survey points are used for the layout of the existing water lines. For this video, the layout of the existing water system is created from the existing topo drawing in which the existing water lines have been drawn. In order to create the pipes at the selected depth of cover, snaps should be turned off. Create the existing water network. Make sure the drawing is in world coordinates. Use CS, enter, W, enter. Home ribbon, create design panel, pipe network, pressure network creation tools, network name, EX-water, network description, leave blank, parts list, existing water push on, layers, EX water, okay, surface name, existing surface with aerial, alignment name, primary road, Ken Crown, pressure pipe label style, existing water plan, fitting label style none, appurtenance label style none, okay. In the context sensitive ribbon, the reference surface, alignment, and parts list should be as previously selected. Cover 3 foot, select the pipe, 8-inch ductile iron, select the fittings type, 8x8T, select the appurtenance type, 8-inch gate valve. Turn off all layers, LA, enter, right click all, visibility off, turn on layer C3D profile view and its sublayers thereof, turn on EX water, turn on existing topo road name, existing topo, existing water. Change the layer of the existing water to white so that it can easily be seen. OK. Double-click EX water to set it to the current layer. Close Layer Manager. Zoom the location of the initial pipe run. If the pressure network CS ribbon is not displayed, Prospector, expand pressure networks, right-click existing water, edit pressure network. Since location of bends are generally not known on existing water line, pipe only, which allows slight variations or angle points in the alignment without bends, is used in lieu of pipes and bends for the layout of the existing water system. Pick pipes only, as prompted with snap off. Visually pick location of start of pipe run. Visually pick each subsequent angle point in the pipe alignment. Ignore T's and valves at this time. If there is a bend fitting in the alignment, pick at the bend fitting, depress Escape key, select the desired bend fitting, 6-inch 90-degree bend, add fitting, hover over pipe until the connect glyph appears. If no glyph appears, layer 0 is off, Escape, LA, enter, turn layer 0 on. Close Layer Manager. Add fitting, hover over pipe and pick. Escape, zoom in, pick the fitting, pick the arrow at the joint to rotate the fitting. Pick the square glyph at the angle point of the fitting and move to the desired location. Escape, pick pipes only. Hover over fitting until connect glyph appears. Continue adding pipes in the run. Escape, add fitting, escape, move fitting, escape, pipes only, escape, repeat for pipe runs. Erase pipe name labels and short lengths of pipe. Enter. Repeat for other pipe runs. Profiles of the pipes and bin fittings are drawn and elevation adjustments are made prior to the insertion of T's and valves. This will allow the T's and valves to be installed at the correct elevation. It is more difficult to make T's and valves to appear correct in profile if they are created prior to adjusting the elevation of the pipe. In such cases, it is generally best to erase the current part and create new ones. It is best to use the following procedures for the creation of a water pipe network. 1. In plan, create pipes and bins in the main run. 2. In profile, draw main pipes and bins. 3. In profile, adjust main pipe and bin elevations as needed. 4. In plan, insert T's and connected valves into main run. 5. In profile, draw main T's and connected valves. 6. In plan, create pipes and bins in the branch pipe runs. 7. In profile, draw branch pipes and bins. 8. In profile, adjust branch pipe and bin elevations as needed. 9. In plan, insert T's and connected valves into branch runs. And 10. In profile, draw branch T's and connected valves. Unless an excavation is made to expose and measure the elevation of the pipe, the profile of existing pipe are approximate. Depth of existing operator net can generally be used to estimate pipe depth at valves. Water pipes are generally installed with minimum cover of 30 to 36 inches. LA, enter. To open the layer manager, turn off layers EX Topo, EX Water, and layer EX Water Text, so that only EX Water parts can easily be selected. Turn on layer EX Surf. Close layer manager. Pick the pipes and bins in the main run along Kincaid to be drawn in a single profile view. Ensure the context-sensitive ribbon remains displayed so that only EX Water parts are selected. Select Draw Parts in Profile. Pick Kincaid Left Profile View. Civil 3D should have created the pipe to be at an approximate depth of 3 feet below existing surface. A polyline was drawn along the approximate existing surface profile with a copy thereof located 3 feet vertically downward. Where pipes are to be moved in profile, pick the pipes on each side of a joint to keep the pipes connected, and use a top glyph to move the pipe vertically to the desired elevation. Where there is a bin fitting, pick the bin and use the grip to move the bin and the connected pipes to the desired elevation. Continue picking and moving the pipes to the desired elevation. A pipe break may be inserted in plan view where needed to make a better fit in the profile. Insert pipe break at 27+00 in the context-sensitive ribbon. Edit Network, Plan Layout Tools. Escape, pick the pipe break icon. Hover over the existing pipe in the vicinity of 27+00 until the break glyph appears and pick. The pipe is now broken into 2 sections. Pick the pipe in profile and move the top to desired elevation. Use a glyph at the midpoint of the pipe to create a vertical curve in the pipe profile where needed. escape. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.